Hi, my name's Joel. I'm going to give you a very quick stretching routine that you can implement in your workouts that I've been giving you. And this is a routine that anybody can do. It's super quick, super easy, and I made it so you can do it and move on with your day and feel great. So let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna start off with cat-cow. So come onto all fours. Get your hands planted on the ground. Turn your elbows in. Suck your belly in to support your spine and arch up. Bring it down, shoulders back. Arch up. Two more of these. Now, we're going to go down slowly. Bring your knees out just a little bit. Arms out. Lower your head. If you need more support, you can have a block or a rolled up towel. And relax for 3 breaths. One more breath. Okay, we're going to do a couple of lunge movements. It's really helpful to have something to support yourself if you are tight in your hamstrings like me. So you can either use a block or even a piece of furniture, chair, whatever. Put your knee down. Dig your heel into the ground and bend your knee as much as you feel comfortable. Suck in your belly, chest up, and lean forward. We're going to do this for 3 breaths. We're going to do the other side. Belly in, chest up, dig your heel into the ground and pull it back towards your hip. And lean forward until you feel a stretch that's comfortable for you. 3 breaths. Okay. We're going to move on to a lunge where it's going to hit the psoas, which is this tendon right here. Knee right in alignment with your toes. Tilt your pelvis forward, belly in, chest up. Raise your arms and pretend that there is a string pulling your arms towards the ceiling, and you're going to feel a great stretch. 3 breaths. Let's get the other side. If you want to feel a little more stretch, all you have to do is move forward just a little bit and pull your arms up higher. 3 breaths. All right. We're going to move on to a wide leg forward fold, and this is going to hit your hamstrings and your hips. So, feet as wide as you feel comfortable. If you have tight hamstrings, bend your knees, and sometimes you can move your feet out just a little bit wider. So, have your support or block, hands at your hips, chest up, suck in your belly, and hinge forward until you feel a stretch. Two breaths here. We're going to move down a little further. Two more breaths. Now we're going to rotate to the left and the right. Right hand on your block, left hand on your hip, and look to the right side or the left side of your body. Two breaths. Switch sides. Great. The next move, we are going to get the outside of the hips. So put your feet together, shoulders back, keep your one hand to one side and lift the other hand and pretend again that somebody is pulling your arm straight to the ceiling and lean. 3 breaths. Other side. Reach. You can feel it right here. Feels great. Perfect. The last movement we are going to do is going to be on the floor. Okay, so this is one of my favorites because my hips get really tight. Lay on one side and straighten your leg and flex your quad and point your toes. You're going to bring your other leg as comfortable as it feels for you until you feel a stretch. And just move the side of your body down, and you're going to feel a great stretch all throughout the side. Another version is stacking both legs. Whatever feels comfortable for you. Let's do the other side. Straighten your leg, flex, and just lean down. Variation. Great, that's it. You can do this every day as much as you want. It feels great. Integrate it with the other workouts that I have posted on my channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care.